Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Homeschool Like a Mother. Today we are using baking soda and vinegar to try to make a kind of fizzing, erupting pumpkin. So we have cut the top off and put a quick face in, and we're gonna see what happens. Here's our pumpkin. We just sprinkled some baking soda in, and Hannah is going to dump in the vinegar, and we'll see what happens.
Oh, it's coming out the mouth.
He's like puking.
He's puking bubbles and seeds.
It's a chemical reaction. Oh wow, look at the inside. It's like a witch's brew.
Mm-hmm.
You can swirl it around. You can play with it.
Yay! I'm gonna push it out the mouth. I'm gonna push it all out. Hey, I'm playing with that. You can place it on
He
the
puked.
You can place it on the pan, Harper. Like, he's puking some more.
So if you still have pumpkins in your house and you don't know what to do with them, this is very quick and easy and fun.
There's a big pumpkin squish thing. What is that? Ew,
Guts. He's
so
puking his guts out, literally. Yuck. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Let us know what you guys do with your old pumpkins. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.